Hello friends, welcome to our today's lecture, Dental Caries. We will see in this lecture dental caries, definition of dental caries and the classification of the dental caries in different ways. So firstly, we will see definition of the dental caries. Dental caries is defined as it is an infectious microbiologic disease of teeth that results in localized dissolution and destruction of the calcified tissues. Now we will see what are the classification of the dental caries. Dental caries are classified into different ways. Firstly, based on location of caries. Second, based on speed of caries progression. Third, based on extent of caries. Fourth type is based on whether it is new or recurrent carious lesion. Type 5, based on pathway of caries spread. Type 6, based on number of tooth surface involved. Type 7, based on age of patient. Type 8, based on the tooth surface to be restored. Type 9, based on whether caries is completely removed or not during the treatment. Type 10, based on the treatment and restoration design. Type 11, according to World Health Organization system. Now we will see 11 type of classification in detail. First, based on the location of caries, it is divided into 3 types: pit and fissure caries, smooth surface caries and root surface caries. Pit and fissure caries involve the pits and fissures of the surfaces of the tooth. Smooth surface caries involves the smooth surfaces of the teeth rather than the pit and fissures. Root surface caries involve the root surface of the tooth. Type 2, based on the speed of caries progression. It is divided into 3 types: acute, also known as the rampant caries, chronic caries and the arrested caries. Type 3, based on the extent of the caries, incipient caries and the cavitated caries. Type 4, based on whether it is new or recurrent carious lesion. It is of 2 types: initial caries or primary caries. Second, recurrent or the secondary caries. Type 5, based on the pathway of caries spread within the tooth. It is of 2 types: forward caries and the backward caries. Type 6, based on the number of tooth surfaces involved. It is of 3 types: simple caries, compound caries, complex caries. Simple caries involve only one surface. Compound caries involve 2 surfaces. Complex caries involve 3 or more surfaces. Type 7, which is based on the age of the patient. According to the age of the patient, dental caries of 3 types: nursing bottle caries, mainly involves infants; adolescent caries and the senile caries. Type 8, based on the tooth surface to be restored. In these tooth surfaces are seen, and according to tooth surface classification is done: occlusal surface, mesial surface, distal surface, facial surface, buccal surface and the lingual surface of the tooth. Type 9, based on the caries is completely removed or not during the treatment. In this, only one type is present, that is the residual caries, which means the caries are present after the treatment of the caries. Type 10, based on the treatment and the restoration design, which is also known as the G.V. Black's classification of the dental caries. It is the mostly asked question in the examination, and it is also very important classification of the dental caries. In this, 6 classes are made: class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will make a separate video on the G.V. Black's classification of the dental caries. Now, the last type of the dental caries classification is the World Health Organization system. In this, 4 classes are made: D1, D2, D3 and D4. What is the D? D, it is the depth of the caries. According to the depth of the caries, World Health Organization classified dental caries into the 4 groups: D1, D2, D3 and D4. D1, which means the non-cavitated surface. Non-cavitated surface, which means the caries are clinically visible but the cavity is not formed. D2, cavities are present but limited to the enamel. In D3, cavities to the dentin, and in D4, caries involving the pulp. These all are the classification of the dental caries. Now we will revise in shortly.